Okay everyone, so here I am to try to get the herb for make the tea. They're right here. Thyme. Okay, this thyme right here. Right, organic thyme. Mint. Organic mint. They're expensive. Okay. And shea. Gonna make the tea right here, or everything in here. And rosemary. Rosemary. Right here. Everything in here. They're expensive too. Okay. So organic rosemary, organic shea, organic rosemary, organic is mint. So let's go start make my tea. Turn it off. Okay guys, time to filter in the container and put in refrigerator so you can, the filter I have filter right here. One gallon. So leftover. You can boil it more. It smells so good. I got 1 gallon. See that? Wow. 1 gallon. Look at how good is that. Herb tea. Make on your own. Simple is that. Easy. There you guys. There you have it. So easy. Now, enjoy. Smells so good. Whole house. There you go. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next video, okay? Cheers. Okay, everyone, the herb tea ready to eat. that? Smells so good. Smell whole house. Oh my god, it's so good. Let's go drink this. Okay, everyone, drink from your help and my help. This is the tea for the cartilage. You won't have pain for the hip pain. So they say drink this about 2 cups in the morning before food and 2 cups before going to sleep. So that's what I cook and I boil it, make a big 1 gallon. So to drink 2-3 days, whatever take, because this is I have to make a whole lot of one time, like 1 gallon and a half, basic 1 gallon and a half water, and 1 pack of the thyme, 1 pack of rosemary, 1 pack of mint. So it smells so good, and then, but you know what? I'm so excited to taste it because I don't know how this tastes. Cheers, guys, for my help and your help. You know, cheers. Tastes good. Strong herb, you smell it, get in your throat. I believe I take this every day because you know I got a problem. I get older now. My hip, my joints got a problem. When I'm walking, I feel like, you know, it's kind of bothering you, pinching me in my hip. So that's the reason why I just take a look, Google it. They say when you wanna fix it, you drink this for 1 week. They say for 4-5 days. I'm gonna put in the link, okay, 4-5 days, and this is gonna be helping. No more pain, no more gain. So we'll see, guys, okay, because I'm just started, first time for me for everything, but I just cannot let you share with you all, and then maybe you guys have a problem the same I have. So if I drink this, I feel better, you feel better too, you know. Let's go ahead, do it. Don't wait for nothing, anything good, just do it. But you know what, I have to let you know, 1 pack is kind of expensive. I went to Asian market, I believe $3.99. Hold on 1 second. This kind of pack right here. See? $3.99, $4.99. But if you care about the price, you know, if they're so good for real, then I will like just go ahead pay for and then make the tea and drink. For 3, 4, 5 days. 2 cups a day of this, 1 cup, and take another cup for the morning empty stomach before you go sleep. 2 cups of this before you go sleep. So that's what I'm gonna start to do it now. If I'm start to do it, you guys should start to do it. If you have problem, you don't wait no time to get paying more and more. Just stop right there, you know. So hopefully this is good the way they say, the way I feel that it will be good because it smells strong. Very good. I love the taste. The taste have the herb soup in your throat. And you know what? When I boiling this, wow. When I boiling this tea right here, smell whole house. Smells so good, so powerful. You know it. Oh my God! I'm gonna go ahead share with you all. I cannot wait to share. You know. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. And if I have anything new, I'm gonna go ahead share with you all again, because if I have something new, I will share with you. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and happy Friday, and see you guys next time. Please love each other and keep love each other more and more, one to another. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers. See you. Bye bye.